Hello students, I hope that you are doing well. Today we want to start with the chapter 1, the sentence. So what do you mean by sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. For example, grass eats a cow. This is a jumbled group of words. And if this does not make any sense, so we will just arrange it in a particular order so that it makes a complete sense. A cow eats grass. This means that the cow is eating grass. This is making a complete meaning, a complete sense, so we call it as a sentence. So when you write a sentence, you must remember three things. Three most important things, that the words must be placed in the proper order to make complete sense. That means the groups of words has to be arranged in a particular way so that it makes complete meaning. The second point, the sentence must begin with a capital letter and a full stop must be placed at the end of the sentence so that it will make the sentence complete. Then come to exercise 1. Put a tick against words which make complete sense. Put a cross against words which do not make complete sense. Playing outside. This sentence is not making any sense as it does not have any subject or a predicate. It is just a group of two words which is not making any complete sense. So we will put a cross over here. In the morning. There is no predicate in this sentence. Only the subject is there, in the morning. So we don't know what will be in the morning. We don't know anything about what is the sentence talking about. So we'll just put a cross over there as it is not making any sense. Then we'll come to the next sentence. Up the hill. This is also not making any sense. Sing a song. This means someone is asking to somebody that please sing a song and the person will start singing. So this is making a complete sense because a work will be done based on this sentence. So we will put a tick over here. Please go away. Somebody is asking someone to go away. This is also making a complete sense. So we will put a tick mark over here. The sun has set. This is also making a complete sense. We'll put a tick mark over here. Exercise 2. The words below are jumbled. Put the words in the right order so that they make sensible sentence. The first one has been done for you. A fruit and apple is. What is the correct way to write the sentence? An apple is a fruit. So we'll come to the next page now. Milk give us the cow. So we'll arrange this in a particular way. By arranging it, it will come the cow give us milk. And in this way, we will arrange the sentences one by one. I am doing two more for you. Of what made is a chair. That means we are not getting any meaning with this sentence. But if we write a chair is made of wood, it is making a complete sentence that the chair is made of wood. 8 is she years old. We could not get the meaning of this sentence, that what is the sentence written about. But if we write she is 8 years old, that will consider her age, that she is of 8 years. So we will write here she is 8 years old. Exercise 3. The boy who wrote the sentence below forgot to observe two important rules. Now rewrite these sentences putting in the capital letters and full stop. The first one has been done for you. Alice went to the fair yesterday. So here the name Alice has begun with a capital letter and it had been end with a full stop. So we will have to assume that we don't have to assume, it is already written that the boy forgot all the rules, and especially the two rules, that writing with a capital letter and ending with a full stop. So we will have to do it like that only. Then we will put the capital letter Ashok is 8 years old, and in the same way we have to do the rest of them. One more I am doing for you. There are 7 days in a week, so we will begin with a capital letter. There are 7 days in a week, full stop, and here also we will put full stop, and in this way we will do the rest of the questions.